welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chicken green pozole that I know you guys are going to love and is perfect for your holidays. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, I have boiling water. I'm adding half an onion, 3 garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of salt. And now I am ready to add the chicken breast. I am going to leave it uncovered, cook it for about 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, you're going to notice all the foam on the top and you're going to remove it. This is very important. You really want the broth of this pozole to be nice and clear and delicious. So always make sure to move around the chicken breast and remove all that foam. Now I'm going to cover it and cook it in medium-high heat for about 25 minutes. After the 25 minutes, I am ready to remove the chicken breast and start adding the tomatillos. Let me tell you, all this flavor in this broth is going to be amazing. I'm adding all my tomatillos here. I'm going to cook them for about 5 to 6 minutes until they change color. While that's cooking, I am cleaning my hominy. I am going to drain it and then rinse it very well through running water. Very cold water. I'm just rinsing away all that liquid where they were preserved. This is very important. Always remove all that excessive liquid. Once you remove it, have it just there until you need it. And here I am ready to roast my chile poblanos. This part is very important. You really want to wake up those flavors of the chile poblano. So here I'm just going to roast them really good right on top of the flame. Put them in this baggie and let them sweat for about maybe 2 to 3 minutes. After the time, I am ready to start removing the seeds, removing all that skin that has been roasted, and the flavor and the aroma of the chile poblano, it's going to be amazing. And here with my knife, I'm removing the seeds and I'm removing the skin. Look at this. Look how easy it is. Let me tell you, I'm showing you step by step how to make this amazing green pozole at home. Of course, you decide what part of the chicken you want to use. If you want chicken breast, chicken thighs, chicken legs, you decide. Here I'm adding 1 cup of the hominy. I am going to add the chile poblanos. They have been already peeled and took the seeds out. And now I'm going to add about 10 garlic cloves. And I'm using some of the same broth where the chicken is cooking. 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and I'm ready to blend away. Why are we blending the hominy? We are blending it so the broth is nice and thick. And here I'm removing the tomatillos. I'm going to add all the onion, all the garlic, and I am ready to start adding a little bit at a time. I'm adding my bunch of cilantro. I'm going to blend this away, really nice and blended. And of course, don't forget to do the same thing with your spinach. Here, I'm just going to blend it really good, making sure that everything is nice and blended. Once it's blended in the same broth, I'm going to add the tomatillo mixture. I'm going to add some of that broth and blend the spinach, blend it really good, and I'm ready to just add it. Here I have the chicken breast that I'm gonna start pulling apart, shredding it really good. It's still nice and warm. I like to add the same amount of chicken, the same amount of hominy. So here I have everything ready. Of course, look at this. This looks amazing and it's gonna be delicious. And here I'm adding the mixture. All the mixtures, remember, we have this is the thickening mixture that I'm adding. I added the tomatillos, I added the hominy blend, the spinach nice and blended. And here, let's leave it here for just a couple minutes until it starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, we are ready to add the chicken and the hominy. Look at this. I am ready to add it. I'm going to cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you are ready to enjoy a delicious and amazing chicken green pozole at home. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And of course, there's no need to add anything else, but I am going to add the very traditional. We're going to start cutting and slicing away the cabbage, the radish, the onion, the lemon. Look at this. This is what we're going to use to top it right on the top of our green pozole. Let's slice away. I'm going to even add some chili oil that you already have on my channel. Of course, you have the spicy version of the chili oil, and you have the one that is not spicy at all, but it has so much flavor, chili oil. You have it here on my channel. This is what I'm going to use to top it. Onion, radish, cabbage, lemon, and of course, chili oil. And now I'm ready to prepare my plate. You could really see how thick this is and how delicious this looks. And of course, I am ready to add everything on the top and enjoy it with tostadas. My mouth is watering and I love spicy food. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and delicious green pozole with chicken. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Of course, I added some chili oil right on the top, and this is how I'm going to enjoy it. Excuse me. So delicious. Amazing. Let me tell you, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this delicious green chicken pozole. I am sure you're going to love it. Perfect for the holidays. Happy holidays, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.